Hey guys, it's Rob here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today we were getting to show you actually one of my favorite boats of all time. This is a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. It is in platinum gray, has a white rub rail with a stainless insert, huge hard top for all kinds of family activities, rod holders all over the boat. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 300 extended swim platform. Let's get on board and check it out. Alright guys, as I'm standing on the back of the transom of this boat, you can see we have a nice transom door to keep your kids and dogs safe. Have a freshwater shower to wash the salt water off of you before you get in the boat. This boat does have a battery charger as well. You step on this boat, this seat folds neatly away for a huge fishing area back here. Nice clear lidded live well, aerated. This boat is rated for 11 people. So you can put a ton of people on here. You have storage underneath the seats. This seat reclines all the way into a lounge with a cooler underneath here as well. One of the best things I like about this boat is for a dual console. When you have the bolster flipped up on this boat, I'm actually still above the windshield, so it feels like I'm on a center console. I can see all around the boat, great visibility. Nice huge head with a sink, plenty of room in there. Obviously you have a wind deflector that shuts, your windshield folds over. The bow of the boat, this boat is equipped with a bow filler, acts as a table as well. You have coolers underneath your cushions. You have another cooler underneath your bow cushion. Also up in the bow area you have another freshwater shower with a front boarding ladder as well, which is really nice for when you pull up to the beaches. Anchor windlass too. Also on this boat, your rod storage and your table storage is going to be right through here. Very well appointed and thought of for being out on the water all day long. Nice trash receptacle. This boat will literally check almost every single box that you need checked. If you would like to see this boat, you can see it at MarineMaxCharleston.com. You can reach us at 843-747-1889. This is Rob here with MarineMax. Let's get on the water.